Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the shake to undo feature on your iPhones or iPads. Really simple and easy to do. It's just a couple settings in your phone. So all you have to do is head over to the settings application on your iPhone. And then once you're at the home page of your settings here, you want to scroll down and click on accessibility. And then under the physical and motor actions, you want to click on touch. And then you see the shake to undo feature right here. All you have to do is just untoggle that, and then you'll be able to back out and it will automatically save, and that setting will then be turned off. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.